Where do you think you're going?
I've got an Irishman on my tail. He tried to molest me.
How do you know he was Irish?
I had to help him. You know, he tried to kiss me.
You called for help?
No witnesses.
Oh, for goodness sake. That's a very nice emerald you've got there.
Emerald? That's no emerald. It's a diamond.
Who ever heard of a green diamond?
Give it a chance. It ain't ripe yet.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Say, where'd you get that swell-looking dress you got hanging off them bones? Looks like the only thing keeping that up is the city ordinance.
I bought it at Bergdorf's. It's where all smart girls buy their clothes.
Smart girls don't buy their clothes. Am I right, ladies? For goodness sake.